So I'm sitting in a Porsche 911 991 generation GT3 RS. Next to me is the new 992 generation GT3. And we're going to have a drag race to see which is the quickest over the standing quarter mile. But drag race is more fun. Let me tell you about this GT3 RS. It has a 4-litre flat 6 naturally aspirated motorsport derived engine which revs all the way to 9,520 horsepower and 470 newton meters of torque. Drives the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. That GT3 is rather similar. So it also has the same engine pretty much, though it has 510 horsepower. The same 470 newton meters of torque, same dual clutch automatic gearbox, same rear wheel drive system. It's so similar. Comes in at 1,430 kilos. Well, it's a whole 5 kilos heavier. 1,435 kilos. Price wise, £220,000. GT RS cars will make you money, not lose you money. That GT3, if you can get an allocation, 123 grand basic. That one with some kit on it, over 150 grand. A sound check. These cars have pretty much the same exhaust, same engine. So we're just doing this so we can hear some Porsche flat 6 naturally aspirated goodness. So I'm gonna go first. Normally, you look at this, right? You've got a soft limiter at 4. Let's race.
3.
Oh, that was so satisfying. The old daddy is still the daddy.
I want another go, I got some slip.
I got a stuttery gear change.
3.
It's over. We are screwed.
This stuttered its gear change again really badly. I don't know why it did that, changing hard from like second to out of this, so you backed off, but actually...
3.
It looks like we have a smug alert.
Do you know what? I'm going to let you guys decide whether I jumped it or not. We're going to play a slow-mo now. So then what exactly happened? Well, the GT3 RS won, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds, while the GT3 took 11.5 seconds. Now, I've actually managed a 10.8 second standing quarter mile time in the new GT3 when I drove it on warmer tyres and on a racing circuit. To see that and my full in-depth video review of the new GT3, click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or follow the link below the video. Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Just produce some drag.
It looked like it started pulling at the end, didn't it?
Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, this time with the cars in third gear. 3, 2, 1, go. Easing ahead, wasn't it? The new GT3.